Coming up on TLDR from GeekWire, a new store featuring Amazon's best sellers and highly rated items. The founder of Ring is returning to Shark Tank, and employees say goodbye to the original buildings of Microsoft's headquarters. From GeekWire, it's TLDR, our news rundown on tech, business, and other geekiness. TLDR is presented by ReachNow. Experience the future of mobility at reachnow.com. Amazon has a new store in New York's Soho neighborhood, and it's not a new Amazon Go location. It's part of the company's Amazon 4-star concept, which stocks items with ratings above 4 stars on Amazon.com, as well as other bestsellers and trending items. Back in February, Ring made headlines when it was acquired by Amazon for $1 billion. The company is known for its video doorbells and also its appearance on the show Shark Tank. The investors on the show didn't bite when Ring CEO Jamie Siminoff pitched his product back in 2013. But now Shark Tank is inviting him back, this time as a guest shark. You can catch that episode on ABC on October 7th. Microsoft plans to knock down a dozen of its original buildings at its Seattle area headquarters. 18 new buildings will make room for 8,000 additional workers. It's been a little bittersweet for employees who've started saying their goodbyes to the old buildings. GeekWire reader Charles Liu, who interned at Microsoft in 1989, commented, "I still remember the summer internship at Microsoft. Per tradition, we threw Bill Gates in Lake Bill behind Building 8 during the summer intern picnic." To keep up with the latest in tech, make sure to add TLDR as a flash briefing on your Alexa device. I'm Starla Sampaco. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next week.